just arrived in Austria. I've never been here before, but I have immediately fallen in love with this place. I am here very excitingly with one of my favourite skincare brands, Eucerin, and they're basically holding like what is called a pure skin camp. I'm going to be here for 5 days learning all about how to get clear, perfect skin basically. And if you have been following me for a while, then you'll know that I'm all about that, because I suffered with acne for 10 years. My skin's not bad at the moment after I was on Roaccutane, but I am actually currently flaring up around here. It's hormonal. I've covered it well, but there are blemishes under all this. So yeah, I'm really excited to vlog the week and tell you all about tips and tricks to help you maintain a clear skin. I feel like this is just what I needed, like an escape from London where I can proper refresh, like learn loads about my skin and nutrition and how that impacts on your skin and your health, and how best to cover blemishes, and then also like mentally, psychology wise, how to deal with, I guess, bad skin. And we're going to be doing lots of exercise as well. I've just checked the itinerary, which is on the back of the door, and it says we're going for a mountain hike tomorrow. I always do a room tour when I get to a hotel, so I'm going to do one for you now. Gorgeous bed, looks very comfortable. And then this amazing view. A nice little sofa with some treats on it. And this just incredible balcony. Look at this. Oh my goodness, we're literally surrounded by mountains. I've also been left dressing gown with some shampoo. Put this in here, and then here's the bathroom. It's a bit echoey, but there's so many products in here that I wanted to show you. Firstly, the Dermo Purifier range, which is one of my favourite skincare ranges. It's perfect for blemish prone skin, and we've also got loads of moisturisers here. Oh, so excited about this. Eucerin do my favourite ever SPFs. They're like the only ones I ever use. And then we've got some of their classic products. We've got the Eucerin lip balm, which I used when I was on Roaccutane, eye cream, repair cream, hyaluron filler, SPF 15, and some hand cream as well. Whoa, I've been spoiled. I'm going to take my makeup off now because I want to run down to see a dermatologist and talk to him about my skin. He's only here today and tomorrow, so I want to get that in really quickly. So this is my bare skin. As you can see, I am breaking out a lot here. I think it's hormonal because it's that time of the month. Really annoying. I am determined that by the end of this week they will all have gone. I just had my skin consultation. I took a picture of the diagram so I could tell you. My sensitivity is really high, and that's normal. Like in the sun I burn without SPF. Moisture is fine. Redness is average. Pigmentation is below average. I think that's because I'm very fair. Tightness is like perfect, so I've got a lot of elasticity, which is great for aging. Sebum production was a bit hit and miss because I had just washed my face, so if I had some I would probably wash it all off, but I reckon I'm probably about average now. And then wrinkle, I'm a little bit below average, and I think that's down to wearing SPF every single day, even in the winter. I've also never smoked and stuff like that, so I think those little like life decisions I've made over my life have really done well with the wrinkles, because I don't look like I'm turning 30 this year, and I am very soon. He also wrote down some bits I could use. The hyaluronic fill, which I'm pretty sure is this. That's for anti-aging, which is great. Also some eye cream and Dermo Purifier gel and tonic to clean. So yeah, feeling very happy about that. I'm really looking forward to the rest of this week, and I hope you keep watching to hear all the like tips and tricks I learned to deal with acne over the next couple of days. I really quickly just got ready for dinner. I washed my hair, curled it in record timing of about 20 minutes. We just got to dinner and we've been bought some tap water, but from the mountains. So, I mean, does water taste different? Oh, sorry. Fresh. What do you think of that tap water, Lily? It's good water. I've come up to my room now, all ready for bed. I think it's like 11 o'clock? 11:30, which means 10:30 in the UK, which isn't too bad. But I'm going to take my makeup off now using my evening skincare regime. But I will see you tomorrow. We've got a full day of activities tomorrow. Let's have a look. We have a discussion with a dermatologist. We have a mountain hike, some workshops, and then dinner. Sounds lovely. It's Tuesday, I'm at breakfast. Look at this view. Look how beautiful that is. I'm literally just sitting here with my breakfast, looking at this. We are going for a little hike. I'm so excited to explore more of the mountains in Austria. Apparently that is the highest mountain. I can't remember of what, but it's a very high mountain. Oh, are we going towards it? Yeah. Look at this view. So we've been hiking for like 2 hours. I've actually done most of the way back by myself, which has been really nice, just to ground myself in nature, get some fresh air, have some thoughts. It's been really lovely. I know it sounds stupid, but I already can't wait to come back here. That's how much I love it. It's just perfect. Can't believe I haven't been here sooner. The hotel is in sight. Yes, there's our hotel. Just had a shower, freshened up, changed my clothes, and now I'm going to have some lunch. I've got like a psychology session at 3 o'clock, which I'm really looking forward to. Let's get some food. I've definitely worked up an appetite. I have some salad. Look at this. For lunch I have chicken and couscous, and there's currently like a thunderstorm going on outside, which is amazing to watch. It's now 8 o'clock. Lily and I have come down for dinner. We're like the first ones here. Very keen, very hungry. Today's been a bit full on. I haven't updated you since my hike, but I've been up to low since then. Oh my god, I've got something right. I'm gonna eat, and then when I get back to my room later, I will tell you what we've been up to. It is time for some morning yoga. Hello everyone. I didn't update you on what we did yesterday, so I'm gonna put my camera on a tripod. We learnt a bit about the Eucerin skincare products, the Dermo Purifier range, which I've been using this whole trip so far, and I'm loving the products. And then I had a workshop with 2 psychologists. It was really interesting. It was all about like attractiveness and what makes someone attractive. I just got my notes because I wrote down so many interesting things. We basically learned that there's no golden standard when it comes to beauty. Like, one person shouldn't be more beautiful or more attractive than the next, because it's all about like more than just outer appearance. And then we spoke about loads of different methods and how to gain confidence if you are feeling low. It's such a big thing with acne, because if you've got acne and then you get acne scarring, your confidence is going to feel really low, because we put a lot of emphasis on how we look and compare our beauty to other people, but we did learn some tips on how to gain confidence, like steps you can do to make yourself feel more self-confident and more beautiful. We spoke a lot about mindfulness, positive like routine actions that we can do day to day, like writing down 3 things every single day that you're happy for or that you've learned. So basically, I think I'm going to write a blog post about this because it's so interesting, and I think so many of you would really benefit from it if you do suffer with acne and then just feel a bit rubbish about yourself in turn, because I know I did. When my skin was terrible, I was so self-conscious and I was so down, but there are things you can do to make yourself feel better, so I think it'd be really good to share that knowledge. And this afternoon I have a makeup workshop telling me tips about how to cover spots. I think that would be really helpful, so I'll obviously bring you along to that with me as well. So I just had my makeup done by the makeup artist here, who was giving us tips for wearing makeup that's a lot more natural and just feeling a lot more confident in our own skin. So I bought my own products for her to try, and on this side it's kind of how I'd normally do my base serum foundation, but it's still got quite a high coverage. And then she used a beauty blender with my concealer, and on this side it's literally just primer, concealer, and then obviously blusher and a little bit of bronze. My problem is that I'd go out and people would be like, oh, she's not wearing any makeup, like her skin looks really bad. But everyone here said that they actually prefer this side, because instead of thinking, oh yeah, she's wearing makeup, her skin looks good, they're thinking, oh, her skin looks great and she looks like she's not wearing any makeup, because it's such a light application. So I'm definitely going to be trying this way in the future. So we have come out for dinner, and I did not get the memo. I was just told to dress up warm, but I didn't know why. But it turns out we're going up these ski lifts to the top of a mountain for dinner, which sounds just glorious. I'm also not dressed that appropriately, but oh well. Lily didn't tell me. Saw your phone.
I was convinced that Katie was sitting next to me when they explained it, and then she was like, we're going out, and I was like, yeah, but I'm sure you were there.
Too busy eating. I'm really nervous, I'm not gonna lie. Look!
How high are we going?
I think it's over there.
Okay, that was petrifying. Like my hands are actually like shaking. We thought we were gonna stop, and then it went up higher for like another 10 minutes, and I was like, I'm gonna have a panic attack. I nearly had a panic attack, I'm not gonna lie. We are in the pitch black. I've made Lily get a coach with me all by myself because I'm scared. It's so dark.
It's actually really ominous. It's like, I don't know, it's just like so creepy. Because it's like we can't.
Oh! Yeah, this is not, it's not good, there's nothing.
Well, you can't see anything, look.
Demons are gonna get us.
So much like Jurassic Park that it's literally so
Imagine
scary.
if we saw a Tyrannosaurus Rex just like at
or
the
like
side.
this flying one.
My ears are popping, I don't like this. Whose idea was this? I've just got back to my hotel room. My makeup is interesting. So I didn't top up any more like foundation since the woman made my skin over earlier, and it is very red. Like you can definitely see my natural skin through it. I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing. I'm just not used to it. I need to like get used to having my natural skin on show. I think with this whole kind of like Instagram culture, skin has to look perfect, and celebrities always look flawless, but maybe we don't have to do that. Maybe more natural is good. You can definitely see my actual skin texture. I think I need to get used to it. I would love to be confident going out and feeling great in my own skin without makeup. That's the goal. I'm going to take my makeup off now and I'm going to go to bed, but today's been so much fun. Getting that lift up to the top of the mountain was insane. Like I've never experienced anything like that before. It was petrifying. Definitely had a little bit of a panic attack on the way up, but on the way down it was lovely because you couldn't see anything. Me and Lily had a great chat. It was just really nice. It's Thursday morning, about to do some high intensity interval training. Ooh. That was lethal. Oh. I'm in my cozy now. I just spent 15 minutes in the steam room and now I'm just gonna sit in this one for a while. This one's very subtle, it's not very warm, which is good. Sauna. Don't judge me, but we're about to have a class on nutrition and I'm munching on a donut. So we've just had a lesson about nutrition and how to get good skin from the inside out, and now we're making summer rolls and smoothies. Everyone's gone really quiet. So we've got loads of carrots, we've got peppers, salmon, cucumber, avocado, mushrooms.
The rice paper roll completely in water. And an avocado piece. I'm going to roll it up. And now it is
cute! Oh. Okay, I've kind of demolished my summer roll, but here it is. And it's really good. I've also got a smoothie. I don't really know what this is, but I'm gonna have a go. Ooh! Well, that's interesting. My nutrition lesson was really good. I'm going to talk to you a little bit more about that probably in a blog post. I've just had a little bit of free time, so I've just got changed, curled my hair, and now Lily and I have come to this incredible view to take some Instagram pictures. It's just the best view of the mountain and the Austrian building as well. The food this evening has been amazing, like the best we've had all week, and we've got a traditional Austrian dish for dessert. I can't remember what it's called. Like it's basically like scrambled pancakes with like a plum sauce. Yeah. It's called Kaiserschmarrn. Yeah, it's really good. It's Friday, we are on the shuttle bus. We're about to leave and I don't want to go. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions or would like me to go more in depth about anything in particular that you've seen on this vlog, then let me know because I'll get on that. If you have a chance to come to Austria, definitely do because it's incredible. Love you lots. Bye.